Hey, here's a quick tip for everybody that's out there purchasing hair samples, right? So I see a lot of people getting samples, which is fantastic. I'm not telling you by any stretch of the imagination not to do that. Definitely good idea. Just want to give you a quick tip that will actually help you and actually get you more product for basically the same price. So I know everybody likes that. So here we go. Instead of buying a hair sample pack from us, which is great because you do get 2 full bundles of hair with our hair samples, but what you can actually do that's a little bit better idea is instead purchase 2 regular bundles of hair so that you get the same texture, right? Then what you do is you take those 2 bundles of hair, you either install it on yourself or install it on a customer, a friend, family member, whoever, and then, whoever you install it on, do a quick, honest testimonial just with your feedback about the hair, what you think about the hair. Just give us your quick feedback testimonial video. And when you send us that honest feedback of what you think about the hair, just for sending us that quick video, we'll send you 2 free bundles of hair just for giving us that video feedback. So think about it. Now, instead of just getting the 2 bundles of hair with your hair samples that you bought, you can actually get 4 bundles of hair for the price of 2, right? So what's better than that? Getting 4 for the price of 2 or just buying 2 and only having 2? So there's a quick tip for you, right? So definitely try that, and I think that'll work out a lot better. Plus, the great thing is you can use the video footage and the selfies and all of the pictures that you get from using the hair to help market yourself, market your products, and generate more sales. So it's a win-win. All right? So definitely use that one. Have a good day, guys.